Hello there! This is a tutorial on ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a generative artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI, which means it can be used for creating essays. But how do you create images with it? First, we go to chatgpt.com. As you can see, we're already here. Next, we can write create an image of. Create an image of. And then, on the blank, we can fill it with anything that we want an image of. For example, we want a picture of a puppy. So we ask it to create an image of a puppy. And then it'll start loading. Here's an image of a cute golden retriever puppy. We can also ask it to create an image from a drawing. Like for example here, I give it a picture of a drawing of a tree, where we say, create an image from this drawing. And then it'll recognize the drawing and try to create the best possible image to suit our needs. As you can see, it drew a tree. The best practice for you is to list down the adjectives that you want, like the background, the style, like realistic or abstract, and the elements inside of the picture that you want for you to be given the best image possible. A common challenge that can be encountered when creating an image with ChatGPT is the chance that you have an image that you don't like. So, for example, I don't like this image. In this case, you have to create revisions or changes to the picture so that you can achieve what you want. So, for example, I want the tree to be blue. So I ask it to make the tree blue. Now, if I had ChatGPT Plus here, it would have created that image for me. But since I don't have Plus, it won't generate the image until after 1:54 p.m. tomorrow. So you have a daily limit if you're using the free version of ChatGPT. Another resource to ensure that you'll be creating images that would be good for ChatGPT is to use ChatGPT itself, where you can ask it for a prompt template. Please give me a prompt template for generating an image so that you would be able to create images that would be the most accurate. So just fill in these details, like for example, the subject, environment or background, lighting or time of day, style or details, and colors, so that you'll be able to create the best image for you. Artificial intelligence is taking over the world, so please make sure to use this technology to its fullest advantage. Also, you shouldn't generate anything with AI if you plan to pass it as a school project or show that it is something that you made, as it is plain plagiarism and pretty much illegal to do so. That's it. Please subscribe, like, and comment on the video, and thank you for watching.